Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss distinct clause. Distinct clause is used to remove redundant or duplicate values from result set of a select statement. It will return only distinct or different values. Syntax of distinct clause is select distinct column names from table name. It is used to return only unique values. If we will use simple select statement, it will return all the values of that particular column. It may contain duplicate values. Suppose we want to know where our employees are residing. We have to use distinct clause to get rid of duplicate data. When we provide only one column in distinct clause, the query will return the unique values for that column only. When more than one column or expression is provided in distinct clause, the query will retrieve unique combination for the columns. Now discuss some examples. There are 12 datas in employee table. If we will write select cell from EMP, it will give 12 records and it will include all the duplicate values also. To remove the duplicate values from EMP table, we have to write select distinct cell from EMP. It will remove all duplicate datas from EMP table. The distinct clause does not ignore null values. So when using the distinct clause in our SQL statement, our result set will include null as a distinct value. As you can see, there are two null values and only one null value is included in the result set. And in the result set, we have only 4 records: null, 4500, 6500 and 4000. Suppose we want to know the number of distinct salaries in EMP table. We have to write select count distinct salary from EMP. It will give 3. It will not include null. If we will write select count star from EMP, it will give 12 because count star will include null values and duplicate values also. By using distinct clause, we can see the distinct type of salaries in EMP table. We can display distinct combination of 2 or more fields. To display the distinct combination of salary and commission in EMP table, we have to write select distinct salary, commission from EMP. It will give unique combination of salary and commission of EMP table. There are 6 unique combination of salary and commission in EMP table, and in result set we will have 6 rows. It will also include null value. First combination is null, 165. Second is 4500 with null and so on. All duplicate combination will be removed from the result set. Now we'll discuss practically how distinct clause actually works. Here we will open employee database. For that we will write use employee. It will open employee database to see all the records available in EMP table. We have to write select star from EMP. There are 12 records in the result set. If you will write select cell from EMP, it will provide us 12 records with duplicate and null values. To get different or distinct salary from EMP table, we have to write select distinct salary from EMP. It will give 4 records in the result set including null values. To display the number of distinct salary, we have to write select count distinct salary from employee. It will provide us 3 records in the result set because it will not include null. Instead of distinct salary, if you will write star, then it will return the number of rows in EMP table including duplicates and null, and as you can see the result will be 12. But if we will specify the argument expression, that is count within bracket cell, then the function returns rows where expression is not null and there are 10 rows without null values. You can see here in salary 2 null values are there and 10 not null values. We can also know the distinct commission of EMP table, and for that we have to write select commission from EMP. As you can see, it is having 5 distinct rows in the result set. Now we'll see how distinct combination of different columns we can get. Select distinct cell comma commission from EMP will provide us distinct combination of salary and commission in EMP table. The combination will be unique. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.